Okay, magandang umaga ulit sa inyo mga parekoy. Yang Leader here for another unboxing video. This time it's for a Lenovo X1 Yoga Gen 5, which is also one of our clients' laptop. So this client, ito bago to. And I haven't done any yoga ever since, so this is also a brand new for me. So virgin pa tayo sa yoga. For the meantime, ito nga, unbox na muna natin. And while unboxing, shoutout pala kay paring Brosyo, kay Mang Brosyo, and sa checklista. So muna, ang bilisan lang na unboxing kasi kailangan ko set up ng laptop na to for the client. So let's see. So the box itself, like the usual Lenovo box, pretty pack up siya at secured with ito nga yung mga soft sponges niya. And it comes together with probably the power adapter. The power adapter is a Thunderbolt 65 watts. 65, yeah. Thunderbolt 65 watts with a 3-pin connector. And then, aside from that, standard safety and warranty guide, as you can see. And then, the yoga itself. So it's, I think it's a 13-inch ba? And let's start unboxing. Sugat pa ako. So, and there you go. Ganda. So meron siyang Thunderbolt port. Then proprietary Thunderbolt and docking station for Lenovo. One USB Type A. So probably Type USB 3 yata to. No, mukhang normal. HDMI, then 35mm headphone jack. On the other side, kanyang power adapter. Meron siyang kasama stylus. So meron siyang yung power button niya, and then another USB A, probably not USB 3. So yoga, it's like a notebook. So you can convert it to a notebook. Ganda. Chiclet mode. Yun pa rin yung kanyang nipple, the signature nipple ng yoga, and touchpad, 2 buttons, probably this is touchscreen, and you can convert it to a tablet. Comes together with the i7 and probably 16GB RAM, and yeah, that's it. Okay. So yeah, that's it for now. I-set up ko to later, then kung may time, then add din natin sa video unboxing. So that's it for now for Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Yoga Gen 5. There you go. Okay. See you guys later. Shoutout again kay Mang Brosyo. Mga tropa pips sa checklista, mag-ride naman kayo. And that's it for now. Bye-bye you.